Hi, it's Eddie from Priority Bicycles, and I'm going to take you through a gear adjustment on your new Priority Apollo. So we do suggest that if you're in over your head or you're not comfortable doing this adjustment, take the bike to a bike shop. Your local mechanic should be able to help you out. As you ride your Priority Apollo, the shifting should feel smooth and it should feel like each gear is distinct. And as you shift, you're easily going from one gear to the next. If it seems like you're getting caught in between gears or the pedals are slipping forward in between shifts or after a shift, you might need a gear adjustment. There's a really clear indication of the adjustment of your gears here on the rear hub. These two yellow lines should be perfectly aligned in 6th gear. You want to check your gear alignment periodically. Initially, after the first 30 to 50 miles, the gear cable will probably settle in and need an adjustment. And then after that, I'd say probably every 100, 200 miles, you just want to check to make sure that the yellow lines are lining up properly. If the yellow lines are not lining up in 6th gear, you want to use the barrel adjuster here to realign them. One direction tightens the cable and one direction loosens the cable. So as you're doing this adjustment, make sure that you shift the gears in between because that'll pick up any slack in the cable and make sure that it's fully settled in. Once the gears are aligned, you should be good to go. If you have any questions or need any assistance, reach out. The contact information is on your screen.